Hey guys, sorry about stopping just briefly like that. My grandpa walked in and, started talking, so I couldn't keep recording. I had to turn it off. So, okay, here he is. Let's see how many G's he has. Oh my gosh! Can you see that, you guys? That is 1,000 G's. Oh my gosh! Let's close him and see how he works. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay, so you have to turn it 3.5, apparently. 1, 2, 3.5. Okay, you ready? It didn't do anything. The hell? Oh, it's not doing anything. Let's read these instructions here. Hold on, you guys. Oh, clockwise. Okay. I must have been doing it counterclockwise then. What the heck? Oh my gosh, I did not see the counter. Okay, counterclockwise. Sorry for wasting your time, you guys. Now we'll get to see this thing go. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Oh my gosh, that thing is cool. And it's 1,000 G's. Can you believe it? So thank you guys for watching my videos. Comment and subscribe. Rate 5 stars, please. Thank you. See you guys later.